Hello guys, come back. Going to show here how you remove sections. Figma. First, what you're gonna do is about to start with the important progress that it should be really satisfied with important levels that we can have it on our situation, which is already very important to deal with every single moment that we can start to realize if it's really going to be determining whether we can have select a section and we can start to go for section. So remove section, remove. We can start to see right here you on section or hide names frame and section. You can see right here that is really on section. Remove selected sections, and that is actually how you do it for running it, and this is gonna help you a lot if you really here see a single section. So that is all about how you remove it. If you do it also, you can start to click on any section, maybe a layer, could be really a section or maybe a single frame, and that is all about